Hi everyone, welcome back to episode number 4 of our game devlog series. I'm Jimbo and today I've got some exciting updates to share with you all. First off, let's talk about a major decision I've made. I'm switching back to Unity from Godot engine. Now, this change wasn't made lightly, but after considering my experience and familiarity with Unity, it just made sense. Unity's tools and workflows allow me to speed up development and implement best practices more efficiently. However, I will continue working on smaller projects in Godot to build up my confidence and familiarity with the engine. Now, on to the next big update, the complete overhaul of our player controller. The previous system wasn't exactly what I was looking for, so I took the opportunity with the engine switch to rethink the entire game idea, creating also a little design document on Notion, the platform I also use to track my tasks and bugs. The player controller remains a state machine with various states like idle, move, roll, fall, land, attack, and our new addition, stun. Specifically in the move state, we now have specialized movement for both free movement and targeting movement. We have introduced a targeting system inspired by games like Dark Souls, where you can lock on the nearest target in the camera's direction to facilitate the combat phase. The new stun state instead is triggered when the player receives a damage surpassing a certain threshold. You will be interrupted in any of other states and thrown to the ground. For the attack state, I wanted to create a modular system to diversify attacks with different weapons. You can equip a specific weapon. This weapon contains an attacks set config that is a scriptable object. In this config there is a list of attacks which are also scriptable objects. This allows for diverse attack sequences, making it easy to add weapons and create various combinations of sequences. Looking ahead, my focus will be on implementing the enemy AI. They will operate on a similar state machine with wander, chase, and attack states. Within the attack state, my idea is to implement a behavior tree to create a decision making at a combat level, such as adjusting behavior based on remaining health or other parameters to become more defensive or aggressive. And finally, my plan is to create a demo build to share with you all. I'm eager to receive feedback on the player controller and combat system, so I will have the opportunity to refine them based on a fresh look. Let me know in the comments if this is something you might be interested in. That wraps up today's devlog. Thanks for joining me and be sure to stay tuned for the next episode. Bye!